Hello everyone, welcome back. This channel is a DIY everything bagel. Loads of cool stuff to munch on. So, I have hundreds of smart home devices installed in my home, and I have not installed all of them in one go. These are the devices that I have collected and installed over the years. There are smart bulbs, smart switches, smart thermostat, refrigerator, dishwasher, washer and dryer, and many more that I recently installed over the years. I used to share the fun updates about them on my stories or reels, but never thought of doing it here. Then some good pals asked me about my smart home secrets. Whoa, which got me thinking, why keep them all for myself? So now, here I'm sharing the love and slip ups with you right here. I am starting this series that will talk all about smart home devices. The motto of the series is just to share my experiences. If you are new to all of this or are thinking of getting into the world of smart home, you are most welcome to watch the series all for free and avoid mistakes that I made while learning myself. We'll see if the series gets any traction or attention. If not, I'll stop posting on this topic and move on to something else. Because hey, this channel is a DIY everything bagel, loads of cool stuff to munch on. I'll start with one of the smartest corner of my house, my living room. Alexa, turn on chandelier. Alexa, turn on living room. So this is a smart bulb. Then I have a Sonoff relay for this lamp. So what I did is I just integrated this Sonoff relay onto the wire that is coming out of this lamp. Then here for these lamps I have one TP-LINK dimmer switch. Then this is the switch port I was talking about. So my fireplace is, again, it's not smart. It was all built in there and I was struggling making it smart. This is regular button, but this is not 110 volt, so I couldn't put in a smart switch there, so I had to put in a switch port. So the way it works is it has a small arm that comes out and just presses and depresses the button. So I'll show you how it works. Alexa, turn on living room fireplace. See, it just pressed the button. So in this particular case, there is no additional wiring required. You can just put this switch port, configure it, and you're done. You just glue it, so it comes with adhesive tape and all sort of stuff. You can easily install it over your switch. Alexa, turn off living room fireplace. It's done. Then this black dot you see, it's not a button, it's an NFC tag. So what this does is I have this HomeAssistant that I'll be showing you in next couple of videos. So what this does is it actually triggers a command that goes to my home automation system, the HomeAssistant, and triggers the automation. And when I scan this NFC tag, it turns on the lights on my porch. Then I do have a couple of door and windows sensor. That's from the SmartThing. Then I have smart locks, and these all are integrated through my smart home automation. So just a peek into the next video what I'll start doing is I'll go over how I created or developed this screen. This is all integrated. So if you see all of these lights, buttons, my cameras, my thermostats, my locks, all are integrated in this particular dashboard. So this is all part of the Home Assistant, the smart home automation that I'm going to illustrate in next videos. In addition to the Amazon Alexa commands, what I can do is I can actually simply click these buttons. So I have marked this as living room lights. If I click this, so it turned all the lights in my living room, right? And so it does with the chandelier. If I click this, it turned off the chandelier.
This Wi-Fi icon you see on the top of the dashboard is the embedded NFC tag. My guests can connect to my home's Wi-Fi by simply touching the back of their smartphone. This way I don't have to share my Wi-Fi password.
If they don't have NFC in their phone, then I ask them to scan this code, and this is to connect my guest Wi-Fi. The same dashboard that I showed you earlier on the wall is also available and configured into my refrigerator screen. So if you see, I created this dashboard. This is again all integrated with Home Assistant, and we can actually create multiple dashboards to work with multiple screens. And if you see, I have all those home automation events and buttons and everything else in here. So if you see here, this is my solar panels. This is how it is generating or producing the electricity. Little icon here, I showed this earlier. This is the Wi-Fi scan, but this little icon is basically my home vacuum. This is from Shark, and they provide some APIs that you can easily integrate with your home automation system. I do have all these cameras looking out. Then if you see, these are the locks and doors. So if you see, the driveway door is unlocked now. It also shows the battery. I also have a driveway water. This is the wall that is connected to my outdoor faucet in the driveway, and when I click this, it opens up the wall. So there is a smart wall integrated there. Have these icons here, so they are all my appliances: the washer, the dryer, the dishwasher. So when they turn on, when they are working, I get to know the progress in there. And then these are my thermostats, one for family, master, and theater. And you can actually create these dashboards in any of these available tablets or phones or anything that can run browsers. What I'll do is, in the upcoming videos, I'll start creating maybe a standalone environment where I can integrate a couple of switches, smart switches, and a couple of smart devices. And I'll explain you how you can actually start with it. We'll start with the Home Assistant. We'll also integrate some of these smart TPLINK devices. I'll also show you how you can create a dashboard, how you can actually configure your tablet or any device which can run Home Assistant in browser mode, or there is kiosk mode that is available. You can simply configure a tablet to run only that restricted kiosk, so that no other functionality obstructs your smart home dashboard. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll meet next, hopefully soon. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.